A+ is a large health, safety, and security integrator in the New York metro area. We serve the tri-state area. We have about 85 people in the company. We do a lot of security work for school districts and universities, as well as commercial properties in the area. We're in hundreds of K-12 school districts. We do Stony Brook, which has over 3,000 cameras. We do 14 of the 24 CUNY schools, New York City Office of Emergency Management, Homeland Security at JFK Airport, Suffolk County PD. So a lot of very high-profile customers, and then some large commercial customers that we do, like Fairfield Properties and RXR are some of our commercial customers that we do some larger projects with. A+ is considered an essential business during this pandemic, and we've had to adapt our company to be able to address the problem and be able to come up with solutions that made sense. We can scan somebody's temperature as they walk into a building. With this temperature scanner, that can scan 15 people at once as they're coming into a building. That's an amazing tool to be able to help make people safer as they start going back to work. And on top of that, Halo, because of its environmental sensing capabilities, can also measure when a building's been sanitized with fogging spray. We can actually measure the chemical levels of the disinfectants that they use in those buildings to be able to give a report to the owner of those buildings. So we've really adapted some of our technologies to fit very well into the COVID-19 issues that exist. We purchased over 10,000 masks and PPE to protect our employees. We follow all best practices with them and really have gone above and beyond. One of the things we even do for some of our techs that are in the field, we actually purchase food for them, groceries, and ship it to their homes so they don't have to risk going out to a grocery store with their family and potentially causing harm. So we're taking all the steps as an organization to help to make everybody safer, and at the same time building up the stronger relationships and the stronger loyalty and trust from our employees. And that's the same thing we do with all of our customers. We have adapted extremely well. We invested over the last 4 years in our infrastructure to move everything to the cloud for our organization. And that's allowed us to transition very well into a virtual world. We, believe it or not, are probably 20 to 30% more efficient as an organization since we moved to home-based working. It's really shocking to me, and it's shocking to all of our other employees how easily we adapted to this and how much more efficient it's made us as an organization. We've also been able to create virtual meetings with most of our customers as we're doing this digitally and virtually on Zoom. We interact with all of our customers through Zoom and have more meetings in a day virtually than we used to be able to do when we were driving to a customer site or have them come visit us. We also have adapted our facility to add the ability to do virtual tours from our facility and be able to still demonstrate all the very cool technology that we have there that shows some leading edge and visionary technology that we do as A+. One of the important things for companies is maintaining a strong connection with their employees. We've done that very efficiently through regular newsletters, communications. We've done happy hours. As a matter of fact, we did a happy hour last week with our entire company. 82 people were on our Zoom call, and we actually had a magician entertaining everybody and interacting with people. One of the things that we found very, very powerful is being able to get everybody feeling connected, because a lot of people are feeling isolated right now. And our ability to be able to connect them through our company is really giving them hope and helping them to see that there is a bright side to this and that everybody will come out of it. The other is being very nimble as an organization, being able to change and be able to understand that we can't go back to what we were. We have to go back and adjust to our new normal. Built great customer relationships through this. Customers have seen how we've stood up and stepped up and really made a difference and been there for them during a very, very difficult time. So I really believe that all of us are going to do well at the end of this. We have to get through and see the light at the end of the tunnel and move forward as an organization.